Hi, this is Diane Anderson, Global Real Estate Agent with Premier Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to this stunning coastal retreat in Caribe at Cove Towers in North Naples. This beautifully updated 6th-floor end unit condominium is a masterpiece of design and comfort, showcasing a thoughtful open floor plan that harmonizes space and light. Spanning across a generous layout with 2,500 square feet of living space, this home features 3 bedrooms plus a den and 3 baths, offering ample space for family and guests alike. The distinct living areas, including a spacious great room, provide versatile spaces for relaxation, entertainment, and personal activities, ensuring a balanced and luxurious living experience. The heart of this home is the expansive wraparound lanai, accessible via 4 sets of sliders, which open up to a warm southern exposure. The gourmet kitchen is a culinary delight. Positioned to capture stunning views, it features quartz countertops, tile backsplash, and sophisticated downlighting, making every meal a luxurious experience. Elevate your lifestyle with an optional amenities of the Tarpon Cove Yacht and Racquet Club. Discover the perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and coastal charm in this exquisite Caribe retreat. Look no further. Your luxury coastal lifestyle awaits you right here. Call me to discuss what this property has to offer to you. My name is Diane Anderson, Premier Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.